Hello Earth citizens! In this video, I will show you a 10-minute routine to do to open up your lung meridians. If you aren't familiar with meridians, meridians are energy pathways in which in your body, energy travels throughout your whole body. So just like blood vessels are the pathways in which your blood travels through your whole body, meridians are the same idea. They're pathways in which energy travels throughout your body. So today we'll be focusing on certain exercises that open the lung meridian. If you have stuffiness in your chest, if you have a lot of sad emotions, stress emotions, it's all stored here. The lung meridians start from here and go down your arm and on your thumb. So both sides, down like this and end on your thumb. So think about this whole area, chest and arm, like this. We will work on to open up your lungs. Okay, are you ready? So first, let's start with your feet shoulder width apart, and then bring your palms facing each other, starting from your hips, and stretch straight up into the ceiling. Look up at the ceiling. Notice how I'm stretching my fingers too. Don't collapse your fingers. Stretch up. Pull your arms back as far as you can. Imagine you're holding a big beach ball. And let's bounce here 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep looking up at the ceiling. Stretch back, 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 back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly lower your arms. Return. Let's do 2 more times of this. Take a deep breath in now. Stretch your fingers. Stretch your arms straight up. Deep breath in. Inhale. Look up at the ceiling. Stretch your arms back. Don't breathe out yet. And now exhale. Bring your arms down. Still hold the beach ball. So we're really engaging right here and arms down. One last time. Deep breath in. Fingers stretched out. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return. Great job. Now shake it out. Shake out your hands. Shake out your legs. And now stop shaking your legs and keep shaking your wrist. Remember, your lung meridian runs down from this point down your hands, down your arms, all the way to your hands. So let your wrists shake freely. This will open up, re-energize, not just the lung meridian, but other meridians we'll discuss later that are connected to other organs in your body. So keep shaking. Shake, shake, shake. Let's shake 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20, and return. Great job. Now clasp your hands behind you, and we're gonna push our chest forward and pull our shoulders back. So you open up your chest. So we're gonna do this with your breathing. So now, relax for a second and take a deep breath in as you stretch out. Look up at the ceiling. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and return. Let's do 4 more times to make 5 times. Breathe in. Open your chest. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return. Again, deep breath in, open your chest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, return. 2 more times, take a deep breath in. Open your chest widely. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, return. One last time, deep breath in. Open your chest as wide as you can. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, return. Great job. Now tap your chest, especially right here. So it's kind of right before where your armpits start. Right here, there's a tender spot. Let's tap there. Tap, and if this is too soft of a tap, please use your fist. Fist and tap. So let's tap here 50 times, and then we'll do 50 times down here too. And if you want, please count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. Now switch to the other side and tap that point right here. Soft spot right before your armpits. And feel the sensation. Imagine you are tapping deeply into your lungs, not just tapping the surface skin. 50 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. Last 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Okay, now bring your hands together like this, palms together. We're going to expand our chest out and in. So imagine this point, your long meridian point, down to your thumb, your long meridian channel, expanding and opening as you do this exercise. And then we'll flip and do the same thing 20 times. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Please exhale out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Now flip your palms away from each other and expand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Breathe. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Return. Now shoulder rolls. Let's rotate 20 times backwards and then reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Now the other way. Roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Shake. Next side to side. Great job. Now stop. Take a deep breath in together. Arms by your side, palms up. Deep breath in. Exhale, palm down. Imagine you're pushing your stressful energy down to the floor. Let's do 2 more times. Deep breath in, stretch your fingers, expand your body as widely as you can. And breathe out. One last time, deep breath in. And exhale. Great job. How do you feel? Can you feel, especially these 2 points are very important points where your lung meridian starts. Can you feel these 2 points opening? Do your arms feel a little bit more open? Can you breathe a little bit more freely? Is your chest feeling a little bit more open? If you need to repeat this, please feel free to do this routine again so you can open your chest a little bit more. You did a great job.